Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Miner's Landing is a coastal node on Origin, positioned along a long eastern reef roughly 3.5 kilometers of in-game shoreline. To reach it, you travel versus teleportation. Choose walking, sailing, or a keyboat ride from a main port. Prepare a lantern for dim tunnels, at least 50 stamina for sprinting and dodging, and light armor so mining speed remains high. Expect hostile NPC patrols. Use stealth approach at night, mark the landing on your map, and plan an exit route before you start. Before departing, assemble the right gear. A working lantern, a pickaxe with a 25% durability buffer, and 2 healing flasks for encounters. Equip light armor to keep mobility high and ensure you have 50 stamina minimum for repeated dodges and sprints. Carry a grappling tool or rope to scale cliffs and a small stack of bandages for slow healing. Purchase 1 spare keyboat ticket or keep roughly 50 in vendor credits for emergency transport back to port. Start at Eastport and set a northeast course. Sail for about 12 minutes, keeping the reef line to your right until you spot a broken jetty landmark. Land quietly at the jetty, anchor the keyboat, and approach on foot. Use your grappling tool to scale a 3.5-meter cliff to the cave mouth. Enter, follow the left-hand tunnel to find ore veins, mine in a clockwise loop to avoid backtracking, limit each session to 10 minutes. Then regroup and return to the jetty for a safe extraction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.